So, hey everyone, I'm here to talk to you about how I stopped losing files. Have you ever spent 20 minutes looking for a file? Like, is it in the project site? Is it in the project application? Is it on my desktop? Is it in my emails? I remember using this report. I remember getting the data. I remember talking about this, but you really have no idea where it is. Was it Outlook? Was it in Teams? Was it in the SharePoint site? Was it in the project tool? If that sounds familiar, then I can definitely tell you you're not alone, and I'm sure all of you know what I'm talking about. One of the biggest corporate productivity killers, I feel, is not meetings, it's not emails, it's searching for the information you need. My name is Sarah, this is Grind to Grounded, and I have taken all the tools that I've learned in the corporate world that help increase productivity and efficiency, and I've created a framework to help you reduce the chaos. So today I want to share with you my knowledge management system. So I use this in my hybrid system, which is OneNote, and it organizes presentation, reports, data sets, reference material, and really it just keeps control of all the decisions so I don't waste any time looking for them. So when you're working on kind of managing all the different files that you have, it you really underestimate how much time you spend looking for things. So by having this all together, it really just helps you kind of reduce that mental load or that cognitive load that you're having. And you can find all your files very quickly. Um, and because every time you have to search for something, it starts to break up your momentum, right? So for the project section, and this is really where I keep track of all of the knowledge management that I have. Um, so when you have it's not that you don't have the information, it's just you don't know where you put the information. So by this, I can say like, oh, here's the NPD pipeline meeting. Um, Here's the more meeting information that I have. Then I have the more presentation, right? So everything will link right to the files that you need. Um, and you're able to get them right away. So it becomes very fluid. It doesn't disrupt the flow of actually, getting work done. Um, it's also where you would see like the meeting files that you need are right here. So say you're in a meeting, a project meeting, you're looking for the data file, right? So let's see, the data file would be right here, and you're able to find it right away instead of searching for that, right? Um, so every time you're searching for that, that starts to add up very quickly and your momentum has just disappeared. So again, it's not because organizations don't have the information, they're actually just don't know where to find it. And that's a very important distinction. So let's be honest, like in the corporate world, you have all these files flying at you. You have different attachments and emails, and you might need to have this executive summary, welcome to the team. I don't know what's that, right? Cross-sell initiative. So you have attachments here and it's the calendar, right? So where do I keep all this stuff? It's taking those files and saving them into your knowledge management system. So you have one place to look for everything. So when you go to your projects, you have all the links that you have. So you have your project folder ready to go. All of the project documentation is right there. And I know that you have project management tools and all that, but this is just for you. This is just for you to be able to find the stuff you need. You have your project plan, and comes up and you can start seeing what the whole product knowledge training program is all about. So again, it just helps you have everything you need right from the get-go. So instead of searching for, the spending 20 minutes searching for the file, you're actually spending 20 minutes working on it. At one point, I realized that it wasn't because at one point I realized that I didn't have the information. The problem was really that I couldn't find the information. So, and that's when I started to think about I just need one place to keep all my files. And just in the corporate world, we use a lot of Microsoft products. So I end up using OneNote and it's really just evolved over time. And it's simple, it's nice and clean system for me to use. So when people hear knowledge management system, they think of like these big things that corporations do, but it's actually super simple. A knowledge system is just a place where you can consistently find the information you need. So inside my knowledge system, I organize my files into different categories. So you might see business reviews, you might see one-on-one information. You might see status updates, PowerPoint presentations, or you might even see some types of reference materials. So really, OneNote became that place where it's not where I store the files. Um, it's really where I organize the knowledge. It's like a personal search for all of my work instead of remembering where all the different things work, where all the different files live, especially when you're working cross-functionally. Everybody has their own kind of way of doing things. So this way, I just have one place where it has the links to everything I need, irrelevant of who I'm working with. I can condense all their tools. Everybody has different tools, and I can condense them all in one place. So I have one place to look at them, a dashboard. So let me give you a real world scenario. Your boss asks you, can you send me that presentation from the other day? And here's what actually happens. You start looking through email, then you look through your drive, then you look for the corporate drive, then you look through your desktop, you look for the recent files. Maybe it's in SharePoint, maybe it's in my OneDrive, maybe it's in Teams. So 25 minutes later, you have to say, oh, I don't have it. I don't know where I put it. So one mistake I see people doing is saving every single draft, every single version, every attachment, every email. So more information does not create organization. It creates clutter. The biggest benefit to having a knowledge management system isn't finding the files faster. It's reducing the cognitive load. So when your information is organized, your brain stops worrying about losing it. You're not spending all your time and energy trying to remember where you put things. You spend your time and energy making decisions, and that's really where the value comes in. Organization creates capacity, and capacity is what creates performance. So the other thing is when I'm looking at this, you want to create a structure. So yes, I have a project page. So every project has its own page. And in that page, it has a dashboard and it looks like what's the outcome, what's the scope, what's out of scope. It has all the important files, and I just add to this as the product grows. Then I have the different phases that the project is in. And and I will take some time to define each of those I will take the time to define each of those phases per what makes sense of the project. So, initiating, and then what are the milestones that are going to get done in this project, right? I have the planning phase, and then what are the milestones that are going to get done in this phase? Execution, what are the milestones that are going to get done in this phase, right? So I have all the relevant information right here so I can articulate clearly what the progress or the status is of this project. So you'll see that I have a dashboard for every single project. So say I'm driving 3 strategic initiatives, so they each get their own page. And then I have the meeting notes that support the project. So this is just where I keep track of all the meeting minutes, um, and the next actions that come out of it. So it's the newest is always on top. So as the time progresses or the year progresses, I move up. So you'll see that I have, um, this is what we talked about. We talked about a coaching program. These are the decisions we made, and then the next actions. And we would click check these off as they get done. And you can see the progression of the meetings as you go forward. So every Meet project has a meeting notes section. So see, there's a structure here. You have your dashboard, you have your meeting notes. You have your dashboard for the project, and now you have your meeting notes for the project. And on those dashboards, you have, again, you have all the links, and then on your meeting notes, you might have a quick link. You might have a quick link to the project files that you need to support it. So as you're talking about it, you can just bring it up. It's right there, nice, quick, and streamlined. So again, I use OneNote. This would work on any really digital planning system. And I just use this because it is really a place that I organize my knowledge, not so much files. So if you spend more time searching for information rather than using it, this system can create a huge difference. Remember, your problem isn't lack of information. Your problem is finding the information when you need it. And that's why I use OneNote to manage all my knowledge management. It's one place to organize reports, data sets, and decisions, and everything else that supports my work. So what's the hardest thing for you to find right now? Presentations, meeting invites, meeting notes, project documentation. So if you guys are following my OneNote series, don't forget to subscribe, because this is Sarah from Grind to Grounded, and next week I'm going to be talking to you about how I manage multiple projects at one time.